In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in Gohighlevel 2026 step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you are logged into the correct workspace. One important thing to check before doing anything else is that you are inside your sub account, because contact records and their tags are managed at that level. If you are in the wrong account, you may not see the contact you want to edit, so it is always worth confirming this first. Once you are in the right sub-account, go to the left-hand menu and click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list where you can view the people stored in that account. This section is where you manage individual contact details, including organization tools like tags. From the contact list, find the specific contact you want to work with, then click on that contact's name to open their profile. Opening the full profile is important because the tag settings are attached to the individual contact record, not just the list view. After the profile opens, look through the contact details until you find the tags section. This area shows any tags that are already assigned to the contact. Tags are useful for labeling and grouping contacts, which can make filtering, segmentation, and follow-up much easier inside Gohighlevel. So if you use tags consistently, it can save a lot of time later when managing campaigns or organizing leads. When you locate the tag section, click the plus button next to it. This opens the tag editing option for that contact. From here, you can update the contact's tags as needed. Depending on your setup, you may be able to add a new tag, remove an existing one, or select from tags you already use in your account. At this point, you can now change the tags for that contact. Take a moment to choose the tags carefully so they match the contact's status, interest, source, or any internal system you use for organization. Keeping your tags accurate helps maintain a cleaner database and makes future searches much more efficient. And that's it. That's how to use contact tags in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, try to keep your tagging system simple and consistent, because too many similar tags can make your contact management harder instead of easier. If you follow this process, you'll be able to update and organize your contacts more effectively inside your Gohighlevel account.